Takin tayo lahat, takin.
Ay, tingnan niyo yung mga pagtagpo ko. Magkalaban, bakit?
First position of Perpetual. Out. That's against reigning MVP Omahob. Rebounding. Escalante. Luy. Luy, guarded by Sher. Luy, big. Gorditsky, open jump, too strong. Rebound on Sher. Sher now. Drive, coast to coast, pass to reigning MVP Omahob. In and out. Rebound on Sher. Stop up, balitaan, short, rebound by Luy. Coast to coast, drive, Luy, pow! Foul on number 44. On Perpetual. First, on Perpetual. First shot, not good.
Hoy, matang sa'yo ba? Santi ka. Wala sander. Nag-inom ta.
Rebound on Balitan. Balitan now. Stop up, looking for Bidan. Bidan drive, coast to coast. Nice pass to Balitan. Coming from Bidan. Now 2-0. Favor of Perpetual. Stop, Salpa short. Rebound by reigning MVP Omahob. Omahob to Bidan. Bidan to Omahob. Stop, pump, sidestep. Omahob, too strong. Rebound on the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy to Busalpa. Nice defense on Perpetual. Turnover on Litran. Our score, 2-0. Favor of Perpetual. Balitan. Nice pass. Winning MVP again. Yes, on Omahob. What a shot coming from Omahob from Balitan. Now 4-0. Gorditsky, Escalante. Polo jump, short, air ball. Perpetual ball, 7 minutes 46 seconds. Our score still 4-0. Perpetual. Now Bidan. Bidan now, acting as a point guard. Bidan. To Balitan. Balitan drive, coast to coast. Balitan again. 6-0. 6-point lead against Perpetual. 7 minutes 20 seconds. Gorditsky. Pass to the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy to Busalpa. Pick. Foul. Foul again on number 44 on Vintero. Second personal foul on Vintero. Second team foul on Perpetual. Wonder Boy. Pass to Luy. Driver Loy. Coast to coast. Short. Rebound on Bidan. Bidan now to Balitan. Foul. Foul on number 28. Gorditsky. First personal foul on Gorditsky. First team foul on Litran. Balitaan, 10 to shoot. Bidan, coast to coast. Wow! Turnover on Gorditsky. Steal by Gorditsky. Gorditsky to Busalpa. Again, in and out. Back-to-back turnover on Litran. 6 minutes. Still our score, 6-0. Bidan. Bidan to Balitaan. To reigning MVP. Omahob. Nice move. Omahob pick. Omahob foul. Foul on number 26. On Escalante. First on Escalante. Second team foul it run. Basket rep. 5 minutes 50 seconds. Rebound on Busalpa. Busalpa now to Christian. Kordinsky to the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy now. Stop, pump, aim for 3, short. Rebound on Busalpa, foul. Foul again on number 44, Quintero. Third team foul on Quintero, third personal foul, third team foul on Perpetual. Basket time out the rep. In-bay lang ganyan sir. In and out. Go, foul. Puspa rep. Foul on number 27 on Balita. Time out! On Litron. Kordinsky to Wonder Boy. Louis, the Playboy. Ah, foul! Foul on number 44, penalty. Fourth personal foul on Quintero, warning. Nice shot for the Playboy, Louis.
Asa? Wisit, mungkin uyap.
Nice shot by Playboy boy.
Depensa.
Now 3-7. 4-point lead on Perpetual. Bidad. 4 minutes 50 seconds. Malitan. Open jump, short. Rebound on Bidad. Escape. Yes on Bidad. Now 9-3. Louis, the Playboy. Nice move. Strong move. Rebound on Karang.
Pasa sa Luy.
Nice shot on Bidad. 11-3.
Back to 2 points.
8-point lead on Perpetual. Escalante. Bang on Escalante. Atomic bomb, Escalante. Now 11-6. 5-point lead. Steal again by the Playboy. Playboy roll. Look, wow, by the Playboy. Louis. Basket count and 1 on the Playboy. Timeout. Only 11-8. Tres yung tingin.
11.
Tama. Basket count. 11-9. Sakto. Tama kayo.
Pasok na yung Makob.
Makob isa. Oh, Makob now. Drive. Oh, steal by Busalpa. Steal by. Ah, the Playboy again. Oh, di ba by Kordinsky. Too strong. Rebound on Bidad. 3 minutes 20 seconds. Bidad to Balitaan. Toes. Balitaan. Rebound by Busalpa. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 3 minutes. 11-9. 2-point lead on Perpetual. Nice move. Ready and Bibi. Karang. Stop. Pump. 10 to shoot. Quintero. Wonder Boy. Intercept to Kabilan. Too strong. Pull the jump on number 44, 39. Back to 4-point lead on Perpetual. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Gordiski. Wonder Boy. Short. 2 minutes 20. Malitan to Bidan. Nahawak din po sa point guard, Bidan. Drive, score, drive, Bidan, too strong, top by the Playboy now. Playboy, escape, Louis, 21, 2, of course, yes, on the Playboy, Louis. Now 11-13, 2-point lead back to the Perpetual. 1 minute 50 seconds. Winning MVP, short, steal, 10 to shoot. Too strong, rebound by Bintero. Balitaan again, take, foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy, 13 foul, Litran. 1 minute 37 seconds. Rebounding Umakob. Bang on Balitan. 16 to 11. Back to 5-point lead on Perpetual. 1 minute 20 seconds. Musalpa, too strong. Rebound on Balitan. Pass to Bidan. Bidan now. Drive by Krodiski. 14 to shoot. Balitan again. Stop, right-handed short. Rebound on the Playboy. Playboy now, stop. Pass to Atomic Bomb. Yes, on the Atomic Bomb. Escalante. Now 16 to 13. 50 seconds. Balitaan to reigning MVP, Umakob. Nice move to Balitaan. 14 to shoot. Wow! Bintero, 18-13, 5-point lead on Perpetual. The Playboy now. 10 to shoot. Wonder Boy, big. To Busalpat. Short, 10 seconds.
Disconcerting.
Technical foul on the Playboy for disconcerting. 6 seconds.
Sama bola.
Six seconds.
Sige na, Pick!
2 seconds. Warning for penalty. Return. Warning for penalty. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Second personal foul on the Wonder Boy. And of our first quarter, score 18-13. Second quarter. Now, Punong Bayan in the ball game, along with Mirigunan. Too strong. Rebound by Kilichu. Busalpa, 14 to shoot. Punong Bayan. Rebound on Sacro. Same ball. Nice defense on Litran. 9 minutes, 30 seconds. Score 18-13. 5-point lead. Perpetual. Palitan. Tuagila. Steal. By Panyosa. Inichu. Back to Panyosa. Same spot. Short. Rebound by Balitan. Balitan coast to coast. Nice defense of Cunicho to Busalpa. Very good run. Foul. Foul on 47 Aguila. First on Aguila, first team foul on Perpetual. Rito on Kinichu.
Labas muna, may sungkat.
Our score, still 18-13. 5-point lead on Perpetual. Ready jumper. Perpetual ball, white ball. Perpetual ball. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Still both teams scoreless and last 2 minutes of the game. Balitan. Kahit pa, Aguila. Aguila to, steal by Busalpa. Busalpa, black foul. Push ball rep. Again on number 47, Aguila. Second personal foul on Aguila. Second team foul on Perpetual.
Aguila, isa pang foul, para tatlo.
Now 18-14, 4-point lead on Perpetual. 8 minutes of our second quarter. 8 minutes. Rebound by Karang. Karang now. Acting as a point guard. Guarded by Panyosa. Aguila. Oh! Turnover on Perpetual. 7 minutes, 50 seconds. Back-to-back turnover on Perpetual. Marigulan. Steal by Aguila. Nice steal by Aguila. Aguila now. Aguila. Pass to Balitan. Nice pass. Balitan. Yes! On Balitan coming from Aguila. Now 20-14, 6-point lead. Steal again by Aguila. Aguila to Sacro. Sacro to Balitan. Stop up. Cardinal Lugnan. White ball. Litran ball. 20-14, 6-point lead on Perpetual. Kinichu. Pass to Busalpa. Wow, easy jump coming from Busalpa. 16-20. Back to 4-point lead on Perpetual. Sacro now. Looking high, steal by Pulumbayan. Busalpa again. Busalpa to Kinichu. Kinichu stop up. Kinichu pass to Busalpa. Turnover again on Litran. 6 minutes, 43 seconds, 20-16. Still 4-point lead on Perpetual. Sacro. To Balitan. Balitan to Sacro. What a move by Sacro! 22-16, 6-point lead Perpetual. Punong Bayan. Too strong. Rebound on Karang. Sacro. Steal. 14 to shoot.
Coach, bawal magaling, coach.
22-16, 14 to shoot. Balitan. Steal by Mariguran. To Kinichu. Punong Bayan. Anyosa sa steal again on Perpetual. Coast to coast. Busalpa steal. To Kinichu. Kinichu to Punong Bayan. Yes. On Punong Bayan. Time out. On Perpetual. 22-18. 4-point lead on Perpetual. Our score, 22-18. 4-point lead on Perpetual. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Remaining time for our second quarter. Perpetual against Citron. All teams standing. Both teams have no loose. Aguila. To Sacro. Yo-yo move. Karang. Yes! On Karang.
Walang isda. Wala!
Too strong.
Bigay sa baro! Bigay! Baba!
Oo.
Balitaan now.
Ay, grabe!
Inichu. Foul. Foul on 45. On Karang.
Isa, kahit sa patos.
First on Karang.
Hindi ka makashoot.
13 foul. Perpetual.
Ay!
25-19. 6-point lead back to Perpetual.
Sayang naman eh. Isa pa! Para maganda ang laban.
Alal!
Isa pa! Para maganda ang laban.
Shoot. Oh, Kinichu again. Stop. Foul. Foul on number 12.
Baksa!
Warning for penalty, Perpetual. Inbounding Kinichu. Ten to shoot. Yes! Kinichu. 21-25. Now 4-point lead. Perpetual. Pass. Back! By Busalpa. What a block coming from Busalpa. 3 minutes 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Karang. Air ball. Karang again. Too strong. Oh! Bye! Steal again. Block by Aguilar! Wala block by Aguilar! Wala block by Aguilar! The rookie Aguilar, 3 minutes. Wala block from Aguilar, the rookie.
Aguilar!
40 Aguilar. 40 to shoot. Nice fake. Usalpa. Balitaan. Jump ball, Perpetual ball, same ball. Perpetual ball, 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Inbounding. Nice pass. Karang. Yes, basic Karang. 27-22. Back to 5-point lead. Perpetual. Margaran. Kali by Balitaan. Pass to Punong Bayan. Bang! On Punong Bayan. 27-25, back to 2-point lead, Perpetual. Balitaan. Escape. Pass. Back to Balitaan. Pass to Aguila to Karang. Too strong. Kinichu. Call by Aguila. Black again by Aguila. Punong Bayan. Short. Tap by Aguila. Panyosa. Foul.
Number 10.
Foul on number 10 on Balitaan. Penalty. First on foul number 10. First.
Ay, bubat! Shut down!
Kaya pala eh.
Our score 27-25. 1 minute 57 seconds. Two-point lead on Perpetual. 27-26. 1 point lead now on Perpetual. Aguila. Carried by Panyosa. Aguila now. To Karang. Karang. Carried by Kinichu. Too strong. Rebound on Perpetual. 40 to shoot. Palitan pick. Looking for 3-second violation on Karang. 1 minute 35 seconds. 27 against 26. Foul.
Pasto kasi ako!
Foul on number 25. 45 on Karang. Penalty. Second on Karang. Now 27 all. 27 all. 1 minute 22 seconds. Perpetual against Litron. White ball, Perpetual ball.
Sige, chick!
Palitan. Sacro. 14 to shoot. Wow! Karang 29 to 27. 50 seconds. Foul.
Ina, baba na! Pretro!
Foul on number 45. Karang, third personal foul against Karang. Penalty. Tagal na yan.
Go, baksa!
50 seconds.
Askin, share mo naman. Para ma-shot.
29-27. 29-28. 1 point lead, Perpetual. Sacro to Aguila. Steal by Kinicho. Side set, Kinicho pass to Panyosa. Panyosa pump. Short again, Aguila. Aguila to... It's 2-on-3. Palitan. 30 seconds. Short. Di ba by Sacro? Pass, Aguila. Yes! On Aguila, the rookie. 31-28. 20 seconds. Palos. Foul. Usparat. Foul on number 28. On Sacro. First on Sacro. Now penalty. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 31-29. 2-point lead. Perpetual. 8 seconds. 8.
Paps, tara mo na! Patay na! Patay na! One foul!
Bang! 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 Ang punong bayan! Basket not count. Basket not count. 32-31. Our score. 1 point. Our score 32 against the 31.
Balis na kayo sa...
Isa lang? Sa dalawa.
Kinichu. The captain. Too strong. Rebound on Balitan.
Captain!
Balitan.
Hey!
Rebound on the Tasmania. Steal by Balitan. Foul. Foul on number 95 on the captain. First personal foul on the captain. First team foul. Let's run.
Shot! Away.
32-31. Oh! Tasmania!
Ay, grabe!
Too strong! Rebound on the Frogman. Frogman to the reigning MVP. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Isang tres ka na lang.
Kinichu. Nice pass outside. The playboy, Louis, 34 to 31. Back to 3-point lead by Litron. Reigning MVP now, Umakob. Umakob. To the Tasmania. Strong. Tasmania by foul. Oh! Traveling violation against the Tasmania Devil. Turnover on Perpetual. 34 to 31. 3-point lead against Litron. Kinichu. Pass to Atomic Bomb. Short. Atomic Bomb again. Pass to Kinichu. 40 to shoot. Side step. The captain. Walang shot by the captain. Middle. 36 to 31. Back to 5-point lead on Letran. Winning MVP. Umakob. In and out. Rebound on Carusale. Carusale. Oh, one more Kinichu. 1-1. Kinichu drive. Pass to the playboy. Louis. 38 to 31. 7-point lead on Litran. Reigning MVP. Too strong. Palitan. 5. Palitan. Again in out. Rebound by reigning MVP. Fake. Foul. Basket count and 1 on the reigning MVP. Umakob. Who's for up? Foul on number 26. On the Atomic Bomb, Escalante. Second personal foul on Atomic Bomb. Timeout on Perpetual. 35 to 38. 35 to 38 now. Foul on number 19. Tasmania Devil. First on Tasmania Devil. Time mo to kayo. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Kinichu. 10. 5. 24 shot clock violation tayo. 24 shot clock violation. 38 to 35. 3-point lead on Litran. Nice defense on Perpetual. 6 minutes tayo. 6 minutes 18 seconds. Reigning MVP Umakob. Pass to Tasmania. Pass to Balitan. Yes! On Balitan! Coming from Tasmania. 38 to 37. 1-point lead on Litran. Kinichu. Pass to Rosale. In and out. Tasmania Devil again. Rebound. Not a big rebound by Tasmania Devil. Now reigning MVP. Coast to coast. Coast to coast. MVP. Looking for 357. Magnum 357. Too strong. Oh, the Playboy. Playboy now. Playboy. Pow, black. Balitan. Oh, it's still Balitan. It's 2-on-1. 2-on-2. Balitan. Side step. Too strong. Rebound on Kinichu. Kinichu to intercepted by Magnet. Now 5 minutes 20 seconds.
Warning using appropriate language.
Warning on the Playboy. Or continues complaining. Warning on the Playboy. Kinichu. Steal by Carusale. 10 to shoot. Down. Captain Middle. Wow. Foul again on number 19 on Tasmania. Second personal foul on Tasmania. Second team foul on Perpetual. One free throw for the Captain Midel. Short. Ibaw ng balitan. Winning MVP now. Strong drive. Short. Oh! Captain Midel. Captain Miguel. Stop pump. Pass to. Oh! Still by winning MVP. It's 2-2. MVP stop. Nice make. Pass to the Froggyman. What a shot coming from the Froggyman. 38-39. 1 point lead. Perpetual. Kinichu. Force. Balitan. Balitan to Froggyman. In and out. Froggyman again. Froggyman. The Froggyman. 41-38. Now 3-point lead on Perpetual. Foul. Foul on Balitan. Substitution there up. South. Escalante at Tumegba mounts. Playboy out. Person number 27, Balitan. Kinichu, 4 minutes. 41-38, Perpetual. Panyosa. Back to Kinichu, time to shoot. Foul. Foul on Magdum 357, Gumangan. Warning for penalty on Perpetual. First on the Magnum 357, Gumangan. Kinichu. Time to shoot. Panyosa. Again in and out, rebound by Busalba. Blocked by Oyumbao. Rebound again by Tasmania. Balitan now. Balitan. Stop, pump. Short. Rebound again by Balitan. Balitan, stop. 357. Froggyman! Bang! The Froggyman! What a shot from the Froggyman! 43-38. Nice pass. Captain Midel. Short. Captain again. Captain again. Big block! But now, nice block. 40 to shoot. 40 to shoot. Panyosa. Panyosa. Di ba mabalitaan? Foul. Foul on number 31 on Balitan. Penalty rep. First on number 31 on Balitan. Now Perpetual penalty. 3 minutes. 3 minutes remaining time. 43 against the 39. Back to 4-point lead. Perpetual. 43-40. 3-point lead Perpetual. 2 minutes 50 seconds. On third quarter. Balitan. Pass to Magnum 357. Back to Balitan. Balitan. 14 to shoot. Magnum 357. Too strong. Rebound by Kinichu. Kinichu now. Coast to coast. Kinichu. Nice pass to Busalpa. 42-43. 1 point lead. Perpetual. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Balitan now. Balitan. Coast to coast. Balitan. Easy shot by Balitan. 44-42. Back to 2 point lead. Perpetual. 2 minutes tayo. 2 minutes. Kinichu. Pass to Carusale. Too strong. Rebound by again. Carusale. Carusale to Panyosa. Third attempt. No. Rebound on Tasmania. Tasmania tackle. Tasmania. 1 minute 47 seconds. Winning MVP. Stop. Froggyman. Too strong. Foul.
Ilan na yan?
Oh, foul on the reigning MVP, Umakob. Penalty na ref. Penalty.
Yung isa. Nakaluto siguro nga.
Second personal substitute. Release tayo mamaya. Basket sub tayo pa. Now, Kinichu Pikachu. Yes, on Pikachu. 45 to 43 now. 2-point lead perpetual. 1 minute 39 seconds. Substitute sa tayo rep. Sub. Oh, short. Rebound on Balitan. Guarded by Pikachu. Chinichu. Wow! Black foul. Foul on Busalpa. Substitution the rep. Sub. Third team foul on Litran. First on Busalpa.
Walang sab si Magnum MCB. May quarter lang yan. Hindi ba?
Ha? Balik, Busal. 1 minute.
Ayaw nila! Masyado magaling yung pinapalit! Sige, magbigyan!
46.
Kanina, 43.
46-43. Oh, rebound by Balitan. Balitan, short foul. Foul on the captain, Midal. Second foul on the captain. Warning for penalty on Litran. Warning for penalty on Litran. 46 to 43, 1 minute 20 seconds. 3-point lead on Perpetual. 47-43. Now Pikachu Chinito. Pikachu! Foul! Foul on number 19. On third personal foul on number 19. Esmenia. 1 minute! 1 minute!
Lupit na kutso mo. Pasok, Patel Boy.
Nice shot by Kinichu Pikachu. 47-44. Balitan. Pass to Tesmenia Devil. Winning MVP. 357 Magnum. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Oh, rebound again by Balitan. Short. Winning MVP. Short again. The winning MVP of Makov. 27 seconds. Now Pikachu. Magnum 357. 15 seconds. Short. Musalma. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wow. Whoa! Basket not count by Pikachu. Push foul, push foul. Foul on number 1. On Umakob. Penalty there, penalty. Third personal foul on the reigning MVP of Umakob. 2 seconds, 2. Nice shot on Kinichu Pikachu. 49 to 45. 49 against 45. 4-point lead, Perpetual. 2 seconds. Oh! 1 second, 1 second. And about third quarter. Okay, third quarter. Litran ball, Litran. Kanina, sa inyo kanina. Third. May jump ball kanina, may jump ball.
Litran ball, litran. Binigay sa kanila. Jump ball, yun na. Game! Game!
Bola kanina third quarter, ang kon, perpetual. Tapos may jump ball tayo. Litran tayo, litran.
Apat ata.
Last quarter! Kinichu. Atomic bomb. Bang! The atomic bomb now in the game. 47 to 49. 2-point lead on Perpetual. Still by the Playboy. Busalpa now. Busalpa. Busalpa to the Playboy. Pick. Playboy Louie. Back to Busalpa. Busalpa drive. Foul. Foul on number 27 on Balitaan. First on Perpetual. Second personal foul on Balitaan. Busalpa. Pass to Kinichu Pikachu. 10 to shoot. Five. Wow! Ay mo ba Pikachu Chinigo? 49 all. 9 minutes. Outside left, third get of the game. Perpetual. Oh, turnover against Perpetual.
Huwag kasi masyadong mag-rebound! Pasa, bilis, pasa.
8 minutes 44 seconds. The battle of the pride. Perpetual. Litron. The Playboy Louie. Atomic bomb. Panyosa. Yes! On Panyosa! 51 to 49. 2-point lead. Oh, Litron. Aguila. A rookie. Nice fake. Back to Reading MVP. Coast to coast. Sambum. Guarded by Doom. Oh, nice defense on the two of Litron. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 51 to 49. Litron. Pikachu. Nice pass. Panyosa save. Oh, what a move. One turnover on Litron. 7 minutes. 57 seconds.
Loy, wala ka, Loy!
Number 16.
Ay, may babayan, ote.
Ombakog. Gawin MVP. Guarded by the Playboy. Still by the Playboy. The Playboy. Ah, what a shot on the Playboy. 53 to 49. 4-point lead now on its run. Balitan. Coast to coast. Yes! On Balitan. 51 to 53. Pikachu to Panyosa. Stop, pump. Stop! Rebound ng Balitan. Balitan to Umakob. Umakob. To Karang. Ah! Steal. Karang now. Karang. Karang steal again. Balitan. Stop up. Balitan. Short foul.
Time out.
Foul on Balitan. Time out. On Perpetual. Second team foul on Perpetual. Litron. 2-point lead now on Litron. Kinichu. Pikachu. Pass to the Playboy. Oh, struggling violation. On the Playboy Louie. 6 minutes 43 seconds. 6 minutes 43 seconds. Balitan. Guarded by the Playboy Louie. Balitan, drive. Balitan, coast. 10 to shoot. Aguila, the rookie. Too strong. Dybala, Pikachu. Pikachu now. Oh, foul. Blocking foul on number 45 on Karang. 13 foul on Perpetual. Warning on Karang, 4th foul. Kinichu, Pikachu. To Busalpa.
Yeah, bigay ka screen.
6 minutes. Balitaan. To Aguila. Balitaan. Shot. Iba na Busalpa. Oh! Yes! Oh, Balitan! 53 goal! Sabrap! Substitution rep! Karang out! Sakto rin! Sabrap! 5 minutes 32 seconds, our score, 53 all. Pikachu, Cardi Busalpa, Panyosa, short, rebound on the reigning MVP, Makob. Still by, Aguila, the rookie now, stop, rookie, drive, attack, go up to reigning MVP, stop, pump, pass to Sakro, 10 to shoot. Still by Atomic Bomb again, Atomic Bomb! To Kirichu, Pikachu. Panyosa. Short! Atomic Bomb, blocked by the rookie! Score still 53 all, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Balitaan to the rookie. Too strong, rebound by Busalpa. Busalpa to the Kirichu, Pikachu.
Come on, all yours.
Atomic Bomb! Bang! The Atomic Bomb! Escalante! 55 to 53, 2-point lead run! Dad! Palitan! Reigning MVP! Attempt! Fair ball! Turnover! Substitution time! Substitution! Panyos out! Marigo na naing!
Sino bang patrosito yan? Dalawa kasama ko yung
4 minutes, 10 seconds.
Oloy!
4 minutes! Playboy! Oh, short! Turnover! 3 minutes, 50 seconds, 55 to 53. Palitan. Carried by Miguran. Palitan. Looking for the reigning MVP, Umakob. Back to Palitan. 14 to shoot. Wow! Rebound by the rookie, Aguila. Back to Umakob. Nice move. Steal. Atomic Bomb. Mariguran. Steal again by Umakob. 3 minutes. Reigning MVP, goes to goal, side step, reigning MVP, toss row, rebound on! Steal by Mariguran, it's 2-2. Busalpa to Atomic Bomb. Blocked by that rookie. Atomic Bomb. Yes! So Busalpa, 57 to 53. 4-point lead on its run. Rookie now, the rookie, Aguila. The rookie, coast to coast, foul.
26.
Foul on Atomic Bomb, Escalante. First team foul it run. Third on Atomic Bomb. Balitan. Nice move. Too strong. Pikachu, Kirichu. Pikachu now. Atomic Bomb. Air ball. Rebound na Busalpa. Yes! On Busalpa! Time out!
bola ko eh. Sige, huwag ka bumaba, tumulong ka sa tumama ng bola. Lagi ka naka-safety.
The rookie Aguila. Nice fake, nice jump, short. Rebound, the reigning MVP, 55 to 59. 4-point lead now on its run, 1 minute 50 seconds. Pikachu. Guided by Palitan. Pikachu to Mariguran, 14 to shoot. Atomic bomb. Short. Rebound on Musalba. Wow! What a nice defense on Balitan. 1 minute 40 seconds. 59 to 55. 4-point lead is run. The rookie now. Aguila. Pass to Balitan. Back to the rookie. Aguila. Aguila now to Mako, reigning MVP. 14 to shoot. Wow! What a strong move coming from the rookie Aguila. Who's for rep? Foul on number 17, Mariguran. Second team foul on Litran. First on number 17, Mariguran. Two free throw shot coming. Awarded to the rookie Aguila. 1 minute 22 seconds. 59 to 55. Litran.
What's up, bro?
59 to 56.
Go!
Wow! The playboy, Louis! 61 to 56. One humble play by the playboy boy. Oh! Umagom! 14 to shoot! 14 to shoot! Again, the playboy, Louis! Wow! Shut up, playboy, Louis! 63 to 56. 7-point lead on it run. Out! Too strong. Balitan. Atomic bomb. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. Block by Aguila. And our game, our winner, let's run. 63 to 56.